Hello, my name is Hugo Forster, and in the next 3 minutes I'm going to explain everything you need to know about trenchless pipe lining. You probably have repeated backups from roots in your pipes, or you have backups and leaks from cast iron pipes where the floor is rusted away. And the plumbers want to charge you a fortune to dig up your residence to replace the pipes the old-fashioned way, which makes a huge mess, spreads deadly sewer bacteria in your home while you have to stay in a hotel for a couple of weeks. But in 4 hours, we can install a load-bearing, rock-hard, new inner pipe that reduces the pipe diameter by only 5.5% inside of any kind of pipe, vertically or horizontally under a slab. So how does pipe lining actually work? First, we have to hydrojet the pipe, which removes roots, scale, and soil. Next, we do a pipe video inspection to measure how long the pipe lining has to be and where the incoming pipe connections are. Then we have to prepare the pipe liner, which consists of multiple layers. A blue inner tape that prevents stretching during installation, a black rubber bladder which is inflated to push the lining against the wall of the pipe, and a layer of plastic to prevent the bladder from sticking to the lining. In 4 hours, everything comes out of the pipe except for the new lining. The lining hardens inside the pipe because a special self-heating epoxy resin is poured into it, and a very heavy roller is used to spread the resin throughout the liner before installation. Next, the pieces of lining that would cover up the connecting pipes are cut out at precise locations before the installation. We ensure that the lining extends into the fittings which contain the connection, because the fittings are about twice as thick as the broken pipe that is being lined. Then we wrap the entire liner into a burrito using blue painter's tape, which is inflated. When the bladder is inflated, the blue painter's tape pops off and stays between the lining and the wall of the pipe. So during installation, we have to pull the lining into position, and when we're all done, we make a video for you to show you how your new smooth pipe lining looks inside the pipe. So how much does all this cost? But generally speaking, in the South Florida area where we operate, for a 2,000 square foot house, you should expect to pay between $15,000 and $20,000 to reline all the pipes under the slab. And it should take between 3 and 4 days. The tenants get to stay in their homes since the plumbing can be used the whole time, except for once a day, typically from 10 a.m. till around 2 p.m. And since 2004, we've been lining around 400 homes a year. And all those thousands of relined pipe videos are uploaded on our YouTube channels that are listed beneath this video. For commercial properties like restaurants and high-rise buildings, the pipes get a lot more use and are more difficult to clean, and the pipe lining scheduling is more complicated because of all the tenants, which pushes up the price. On the other hand, if the lining involves thousands of feet of pipe, like in a high-rise building, that will push down the price. So we provide free estimates every week, which takes about 20 minutes to measure the layout of the bathrooms, laundry, and the kitchen. And all you have to do is give us a call to schedule it. The numbers are listed below.